Okay guys, so this part is very important as well. Let's explain in the YouTube AdSense PIN verification process when applying for the YouTube Partnership Program. The PIN verification by mail, YouTube Partnership Program. All right. After getting approved for YouTube, YouTube requires you to verify your AdSense account address for security and payment purposes. A physical PIN, also known as a personal identification number, will be mailed to the address you provided in AdSense when you got an AdSense account. The PIN are typically sent within 1 to 2 weeks, but delivery can take up to 4 weeks depending on your location. All right, so a PIN is usually 4 numbers. Let's just say 1, 2, 3, 4. But once you receive it by mail, and don't make the mistake I made it. One time I saw it, something came from Google, and I just thought it was junk. And regrettable, I threw it away. So I had to go back all over again and reapply. So what do you do when you receive the PIN? You log into your AdSense account, then go down to verifying your billing address section of your home dashboard there, right? And then you enter the PIN exactly as shown on the postcard that you will receive by email. All right, so go into your YouTube studio and then continue the stuff. All right, once entered correctly, your address is verified and your monetization earnings will continue processing normally. Okay, so but again, they do that to just verify that you're who you say you are, and because Google AdSense is a very, very, very precious commodity from Google. All right, so hope this helped you when it comes to the verifying your PIN number for the Google AdSense after you've been after you've been approved for the YouTube Partnership Program. All right, we'll go on to the next video and discuss more on monetization.